Okay, there's the cat we've been seeing out of the corner of our eye for a couple of weeks now. And it doesn't seem to be interested in my chickens. And chickens don't care. The chickens aren't afraid of machinery or anything. So I'm going to open the door in a second, see what happens. Now if it runs, oh, it's a tuxedo. That long tail, my goodness, looks like a panther. It's going to run. Hey, dude. Skinny. Doesn't get regular food, doesn't have a collar on. That's a big old cat. My goodness. Anyway, you girls are so brave. You just don't care. You're not afraid of anything. What are you doing, Claudia? Daisy. It's Daisy in the front, Claudia in the back. It's going to start raining this evening, this afternoon maybe, and rain for the next 5 days. And it's going to be crazy around here. So I'm ready for it. I love rain.